Sundarbans National Park. The Sundarbans National Park is a national park, tiger reserve, and biosphere reserve in West Bengal, India. It is part of the Sundarbans on the Ganges Delta and adjacent to the Sunderban Reserve Forest in Bangladesh. It is located to southwest of the Bangladesh. The delta is densely covered by mangrove forests and is one of the largest reserves for the Bengal tiger. It is also home to a variety of bird, reptile, and invertebrate species, including the saltwater crocodile. The present Sundarban National Park was declared as the core area of Sundarban Tiger Reserve in 1973 and a wildlife sanctuary in 1977. On May 4, 1984, it was declared a national park. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site inscribed in 1987-23, and it has been designated as a Ramsar site since 2019. It is considered as a World Network of Biosphere Reserve Man and Biosphere Reserve from 1989. The first Forest Management Division to have jurisdiction over the Sundarbans was established in 1869. In 1875, a large portion of the mangrove forests was declared as reserved forests under the Forest Act, 1865 Act 8 of 1865. The remaining portions of the forests were declared a reserve forest the following year, and the forest, which was so far administered by the Civil Administration District, was placed under the control of the Forest Department. A forest division, which is the basic forest management and administration unit, was created in 1879 with the headquarters in Khulna, Bangladesh. The first management plan was written for the period 18,931,898-45. In 1911, it was described as a tract of unexamined waste country and was excluded from the census. It then stretched for about 266 kilometers 165 mi from the mouth of the Hooghly to the mouth of the Meghna River, and was bordered inland by the three settled districts of the 24 Parganas, Khulna, and Bakirganj. The total area including water was estimated at 16,900 square kilometers 65 to 6 mi. It was a waterlogged jungle, in which tigers and other wild beasts abounded. Attempts at reclamation had not been very successful. The Sundarbans was everywhere intersected by river channels and creeks, some of which afforded water communication throughout the Bengal region, both for steamers and for native ships. The maximum part of the delta is located in Bangladesh. Administration Edit. Map of the protected areas of the Indian Sundarban, showing the boundaries of the Tiger Reserve, the National Park and the three wildlife sanctuaries, conservation and lodging centers, subsistence towns, and access points. The entire forested dark green area constitutes the Biosphere Reserve, with the remaining forests outside the national park and wildlife sanctuaries being given the status of a primary reserve forest.